Hi there, welcome back to Go Travel Now. We are back from a heavy hiatus, and somehow we landed in the beautiful country of Thailand. Thailand is one of the most traveled countries in the world with over 35 million visitors per year. One of the most visited city in Thailand is Pattaya. Pattaya is a popular beach resort on the Gulf of Thailand, just 150 kilometers southeast of Bangkok, a mere 2-hour drive. Pattaya's pulsating nightlife is well known, but local authorities have, in recent years, improved the quality of the beaches and reinvented the resort as a more family-friendly destination. We are walking here toward the famous Pattaya Walking Street. The Pattaya Walking Street is known for its neon lights, music, performers, food, and people. Let's just say it's the Las Vegas Strip compacted in a short half-mile walk. At night, Walking Street is pedestrian only and comes alive with dancing, drinking, partying, and entertainment. It usually doesn't come alive until at least 9 p.m. at night. During the day, it's a good place for dining or escaping the heat. To the right of the big Walking Street sign is the famous Pattaya Beer Garden restaurant. The Pattaya Beer Garden is a great place to chill out and relax. Right in the heart of the madness at the entrance to Walking Street, but a quiet oasis to eat and drink while enjoying the most spectacular view of Pattaya Bay. They open early for breakfast and stay open all day and most of the night. They have a good selection of Thai and Western food at reasonable prices, and the kitchen is open the same hours as the bar. Let's go grab a table here because I'm getting hungry. How about you? We arrived at about 6 p.m. tonight and was seated right away. The Pattaya Beer Garden does get busy throughout the night, so you do want to get there early to get a table. We were at the edge of the water next to this beautiful city view. The Pattaya Beer Garden often plays an eclectic range of music, including old 50s music to hip-hop in the evening. I'm sure you would find a song or two that you can groove to. Check out this fantastic view of the city of Pattaya, gorgeous with a cool breeze for the evening dinner.
This one we can do for two shots.
Oh, okay. Two? I'll take bacon and cheddar cheese. And then one of them mushroom and cheddar cheese.
The one with mushroom and cheddar
As night falls, you get to see the beautiful lights of Pattaya light up the city. It is truly an amazing place with great service and food. Okay, it's time for dinner. We opted for the American-style burgers. For 180 baht, you get a huge 1/3 pound burger with the option of 2 toppings with fries and a salad. We picked cheese and bacon on one order and cheese and mushroom on this other. The burger was delicious and a great filling meal at a great price. For any of you missing home, these burgers were up to par to what you would get in the States. There is a special Thai spice in the burger which makes it a bit unique, but it would satisfy your Western cravings. The fries were delicious, crispy, and flavorful. The salad was also a nice balance to the overall meal. I would rate this an 8 out of 10. Definitely worth the visit if you are here in Pattaya, especially for the food, ambience, and view. That was a great meal. For 2 burgers, a smoothie, the total came out to under 500 baht. That's less than $15 for a high tourist location. Not bad at all. Let's now go explore the famous Pattaya Walking Street. It's now about 7:30 in the evening, so it's not prime time yet for Pattaya Walking Street, but we'll give you a glimpse of what you may see in you if you are here visiting. Pattaya Walking Street is one of Thailand's most famous nightlife destinations. Located in the heart of Pattaya City, its history reflects Pattaya's transformation from a quiet fishing village to a bustling tourist hotspot. In the 1960s, Pattaya began to grow as a popular RRS and recreation destination for American soldiers during the Vietnam War. This influx of foreign visitors led to the rapid development of hotels, bars, and entertainment venues. Over time, the area around what is now Walking Street became known for its lively nightlife. By the 1980s and 1990s, Walking Street emerged as a central hub for nightlife, with an array of bars, clubs, restaurants, and live entertainment venues. It became popular among tourists, particularly for its open-air bars, go-go clubs, seafood restaurants, and vibrant street performances. As you can see here, Pattaya Walking Street is one of the safest tourist attractions as there are armed guards always standing and ready nearby. Today, Walking Street is closed to vehicle traffic after sunset and is a pedestrian-only zone filled with neon lights, street vendors, and an array of entertainment catering to tourists from around the world. Its reputation is a mix of excitement and controversy, known for both its vibrant party atmosphere and its adult entertainment scene. We are coming up here. On our right side is the famous Sea Zone restaurant. Pattaya Sea Zone restaurant is a popular seafood dining spot located on Walking Street, offering a mix of fresh seafood and Thai cuisine. Its prime location along the waterfront makes it a popular choice for tourists looking to enjoy a meal with scenic ocean views. The restaurant is known for its fresh seafood, with live tanks displaying lobsters, crabs, prawns, and fish, allowing diners to choose their own seafood, which is then cooked to order. The menu includes a wide range of seafood dishes, including grilled prawns, lobster, crab, fish, and traditional Thai dishes like tom yum soup, seafood curries, and stir-fried options. International dishes are also available to cater to diverse tastes. Oftentimes, you would have vendors come up selling you all types of different shows. Just politely turn them down unless you are interested in a freak show. Looks, there's the famous talking walking skeleton on stilts there. He's always an attraction for tourists and visitors. Pattaya Walking Street faced challenges during the COVID-19 pandemic, as Thailand's tourism industry was heavily impacted. The street saw many businesses temporarily or permanently closed during the global travel restrictions. Post-pandemic, it has started to recover, with the Thai government promoting a more family-friendly image for Pattaya, while preserving Walking Street's vibrant nightlife appeal. At the end of Pattaya Walking Street is Bali Hai Pier. Bali Hai Pier, located at the southern tip of Pattaya's Walking Street, serves as a vital gateway to nearby islands like Koh Larn today. Bali Hai Pier remains an essential part of Pattaya's tourism infrastructure. It handles thousands of tourists daily, particularly during high season, as boats and ferries shuttle visitors to and from nearby islands. The pier is well maintained and modern, featuring ticket booths, waiting areas, and other amenities for travelers.
รองเท้าไปไหนพี่นาย
Since this is a popular tourist attraction, you'll often see large amount of Chinese and Russian tourists. Oftentimes, they would arrive in large buses, often with a flag leader leading the way. To the left of me is the famous Rhino Bar. The Rhino Bar offers a charming escape from the crowds. The bar's cozy atmosphere, complete with a live band, sets the perfect backdrop for a laid-back evening. What sets Rhino Bar apart is the option to request your favorite songs and tip the talented musicians. With affordable beer prices, it's an ideal spot to unwind. Insomnia Bar to the left of me is known for its high-energy dance music, playing a mix of hip-hop, and house tracks, with talented resident and guest DJs spinning live sets every night. The club is equipped with state-of-the-art lighting, lasers, pool tables, and visual effects, adding to the experience. The crowd is a mix of locals, tourists, and expats, giving the place a very international vibe. Well, thank you for spending your time with us today. We do hope you enjoyed the Pattaya walking tour. If you like and enjoyed our walking tour today, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel as we get ready to release more amazing narrated tour videos of beautiful areas in the world. Until then, we'll see you next time on Go Travel Now.